Are you struggling with outdated legacy mainframe systems, lack of experienced professionals, and high operating costs? TmaxSoft's OpenFrame is set to help clients to move from a closed mainframe environment to efficient business environments. Start your digital transformation with TmaxSoft's OpenFrame. OpenFrame migrates legacy applications and data to the cloud, while seamlessly integrating them with the latest technologies as a modernization solution. OpenFrame provides stable, open system environments by migrating all data and legacy assets without modification. Any potential migration issues are resolved, and code reusability is maximized to ensure a safe migration. It reduces maintenance costs, including license and hardware management, by more than 50%, while providing better performance than mainframes with scalability to over 100,000 MIPS. It provides a superior platform environment, which simplifies integration of open source products and technologies that previously could not be used on mainframes. This enables agile responses to open platforms such as the cloud and rapidly changing IT environments by building next-generation systems. OpenFrame is a recognized global solution which has been used in projects of more than 100,000 MIPS in a dozen countries across a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and financial to public sector. Future-proof your business with our innovative replatforming solution. OpenFrame. TmaxSoft.